Welcome back to our channel, Johnson Family Times. Today we are going to
Country Christmas.
Yes, we're going to check out some Christmas light displays and such. We're going to take you along with us and give you some updates and such, since we haven't posted in well over 2 months. Yes.
There's our line. We'll be back with you shortly. We're finally getting in. Yay! Hi.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I just got this card for you, which has got a coupon on the back if you want to come back for another night.
Okay, thank you.
Have a nice night.
Joy to the world.
Check out that reindeer that's landing flat on his face.
Plop.
Alright, so that was our...
Fun little adventure.
Yep, that was an adventure through the...
Country Christmas.
Yep, Country Christmas here at the Ingleside. So it looks like we are now in the parking lot, as if we were going to enjoy some cookies and hot chocolate.
I need some hot chocolate right now.
But that's that. We will go get some food now and give you some updates on what's been going on in the Johnson family.
Yep.
Small change of plans. We're gonna go in and check out what's going on in there. We'll bring the camera with us, and we're gonna bring Layla with us and T with us.
Wait, where are we going?
In. You know where the hot chocolate and stuff was advertised, cookies, hot chocolate. We'll see what's available.
Alright, do we need masks?
Probably, yes.
Alright.
Alright, here we go. Oh, wait.
We need masks during the storm.
I have a kitty cat mask.
No, he's an uwu. He's uwu. Uwu. Come here.
Oh, there goes T. What's your mask
Goodbye,
look
T.
like, Layla?
It's like if you had mouth surgery for a week.
Oh, look at that. All right, here we go. Ooh, trains.
My God, Dad.
Hi, Layla.
Hi.
Do you like the trains?
Yep.
They're pretty cool. So what'd you get there?
I got hot chocolate
Nice.
with
With what?
marshmallows and whipped cream.
Nice.
I just burned my tongue.
That was cool.
That was pretty cool. It was cool.
That was very cool.
Also delicious for me.
Layla got herself a hot chocolate, complete with whipped cream and marshmallows.
It's burning my tongue still.
T has himself a bottle, which we had before we got here.
T had lots of fun. He liked the trains and the puppies.
It was nice. Nice to get out of the car and actually be around people again. So now, we're gonna go get something to eat, go home, and...
So we're gonna talk about our break from YouTube, kind of.
And then yes, we will give you updates because we haven't posted on YouTube for 2 months, over 2 months. It's been a while. So yeah. Sorry for the inconsistencies in our upload schedule. We have been working on some big things, and work in general is getting in the way of our uploads. This video ran a little bit longer than I expected it to, so the update video that we were talking about will happen on our next upload, because normally by now we would have had our pumpkin patch video, our Halloween video. We have chunks of that, but not anything that would make up an entire video. T is almost a year old, so you can be looking for that video coming up soon, celebrating his first year of life. As for the following months, our uploads should be at least once every other week. Like I said, we're working on a lot of things right now, so we're trying really hard to stay consistent. Also, we always said to follow us on Twitter. We are kind of straying away from that. We are focusing more on our Facebook page that we just set up. You can find us there at JFam Times. You can just search Johnson Family Times on Facebook. It'll get you there. And as always, thank you for watching, and have a Johnsonish day.